Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before entering into the video, I request all of our viewers to subscribe to our channel. To our viewers, we wish to tell that our channel is entirely created for the purpose of spreading the spiritual wisdom or self-knowledge or seeking the truth. Now whatever the viewers can name. Today our inquiry is related to an aspirant. He could not decide whether to become a sannyasi or not. Now, what is sannyas? Sannyas is a mental attitude towards truth. A sannyasi is interested in searching the truth. He is ready to sacrifice his mundane life for the purpose of finding the truth. Now the new aspirant could not decide whether to become a sannyasi or not. Since he is very new to the path, he is immature. So he thinks that truth has many paths and he wants to become a sannyasi or not. Now how to decide? In Indian tradition, sannyas is the one of the paths towards truth. A sannyasi leaves his home and abstains from family and sexual life for the purpose of seeking the truth. It is a beautiful idea related to truth, related to searching the truth. He intends that one day he will find the truth. Sannyas stands for the inner transformation. He is very serious and sincere. He himself tortures also sometimes for the sake of truth. He is allowed to begging also on the streets. He does not care about the mundane things. He does not care about the values that the society has set it. He is entirely dedicated for the search for truth. That's why we maintain that it is one of the beautiful ideas on search for truth. Now, what is our viewpoint on this? As we have told and maintained that truth has no path. Why truth has no path? Truth is always dynamic and ever living. It is here and now. It is living. It is not static. As we have known that the electron has both particle and wave nature, similarly truth has also a dynamic nature. It is completely on life. It has the quality of life. We cannot predict anything about life. This we can glimpse very easily. Any aspirant can understand that truth is ever living and truth is with all of us. That's why a particular method is not needed to search for truth. People claim that truth has various paths and they create an institution for searching the truth and claim that they are on the path of truth. So many such institutions are existing today. But what happens finally? They are totally institutionalized and later they create lots of conflict amongst themselves. Hence, the people are divided even in the name of truth. But we maintain that such approach is not needed. As truth is with everybody, we can search truth ourselves. Our channel intends to help in this process only. The viewers can comment on the comment section. This knowledge must be free to each and every person. Why this knowledge is needed? Because by this knowledge, any individual can solve many of his or her problem in his or her daily life. Truth is with everybody. So we can get the glimpse if we are very sincere. And finally, what is needed? A mind with awareness is needed. Also, we are to observe both outwardly and inwardly, moment to moment. First of all, we are to observe the outward things consciously. Then the same consciousness, then the same conscious effort can be turned inwardly. So the inward world is so infinite. It needs tremendous awareness. So by turning inwardly, we will be able to find the truth. Our channel does not accept anything as it is. We want to inquire, examine and investigate. Whatever has been told, we don't accept. Any concept we want to examine. We want to verify. In the past, it has been told that whatever they are telling, we have to accept. But our standpoint is no need to accept anything as they are. We have to investigate, we have to examine, and then only we have to accept. Anyhow, truth is a very beautiful concept in our life. It concerns all of us. Actually, it is truth that frees us. It is not our effort. By a meditative mind, we mean that a conscious mind. A conscious mind does not come through effort. So it comes through observation and awareness. This anybody can develop. That is our standpoint. So to search for truth, no need to become a sannyasi. Wherever we are, we can stay there and find the truth. In the future, we will come up with another one video like this.